Direct replacement. This turn signal light assembly matches the fit, function and appearance of the factory assembly on specified years, make and models. Ideal solution. Reliable replacement for an assembly that has failed due to moisture infiltration or collision damage. Durable construction. This assembly is made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This turn signal light assembly is designed to match the fit, function and appearance of the original assembly on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Easy fix. My car had a cracked headlight and wouldn't pass inspection. This was easy to install and at a great price. It fit my '97 Toyota Camry perfectly.